Hi my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Homebody, which is my social media planner for the week of March 16th through the 22nd. And as some of you may already know, this is my social media planner. This is where I kind of keep track of my content and ideas that I'm going to be making for this channel and my Instagram. And as I'm making this checklist for my subscribers and followers, I just wanted to say thank you to all of my followers and welcome my new ones. And those who are visiting, I just wanted to say I would really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. I would love to have you here on my channel with me as I plan every week multiple times. Anyhow, let's get back to the planning. So I have made my checklist Monday through Sunday to track subscribers and followers, just to make sure I'm growing. It's not for any other purpose. I think it'll be fun to look back one day and see how this was progressing. And I'm looking for checklists in my colorful boxes to cover up the prompts. So important errands to buy and dinner have to be covered up because I don't use those as such. And I'm gonna go with gold because the boho actually has all of the embellishments in gold. And these actually fit perfectly where you don't have to cut it or worry about extending the size. I think these are almost too made to cover these in a way. And of course I'm placing my sticker crooked because this is how I roll. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of look through this book. I don't think I have flipped through it immersely to see what's in there. I purchased it because it was on sale, but I just wanted to see because it is a pretty book and the stickers are quite, I mean, they're not happy planner, but they are kind of nice to kind of see and if I could do something, especially this page. Like, look at those florals. And then that washi matches that saying that I just pulled. So maybe I'll put it in the middle and see if that works. We shall see. Okay, looks like that one works. I think it's a little crooked, so I might end up correcting it in just a bit. How pretty is that one? It's like a mandala sticker that I really enjoy looking at, and so is this one with the fierce mind, brave heart, and kind heart. I mean, fierce mind, brave spirit, and kind heart. I think they're quite gorgeous and very interesting, a little bit different. Oh, and look at this whole page of butterflies. And the 19th is the first day of spring, so I'm going to be using quite a few butterflies in the spread, I believe, to kind of bring in that spring into the planner. Yeah, I really do think this sticker book is quite nice. And the stickers stick very well. And look at the fit. Like, look at the fit of these boxes into this dashboard layout. I was surprised how well it fits. It's almost like it was made for this size of a box. So I cut that washi strips into different sections, and I'm going to be kind of dispersing it all over the spread. And try to cover some of those stripes and kind of bring an interesting element up there. And then let's move that butterfly down and do dream big on top, and then there we go. Look how beautiful this heart is. I'm just kind of placing stickers in parts where I know I won't have too much to do, so I still have room to write. Because otherwise, to me, even though my planner has to be pretty, first and foremost, it has to be very functional, and I have to be able to plan in it. Otherwise, it's kind of redundant to decorate your planner in order to plan in it, but yeah, not have any room to write. So like I said, for me it's redundant to do that, hence my functionality comes first, and then decoration comes second. So I kind of look ahead and figure out how I'm spreading my stickers. And now I'm gonna add some flowers. Like I said, first day of spring. It's pretty necessary to have some flowers in your planner over that weekend and make it happy and beautiful. How pretty this is. So gorgeous. These flowers are just so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna be repositioning some stuff. And I'm gonna be adding some more flowers and butterflies here and there. And I think that will be it. So I hope you really did enjoy this video and this spread. I hope all of you are staying healthy and safe, and that you don't have any shortages of whatever you might need, and that your week that's coming up is happy and safe. So even though you're stuck at home, hopefully you have some things that you are able to do and accomplish. And if you're in healthcare like myself and you do work anyhow, I hope you're staying safe and protecting yourself and your loved ones. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!